It's that time for charting futures. Here's Bloomberg Intelligence's Mike McGlone, and it's all about looking at gold today, Mike.
Yes, hello, Caroline, and thank you for bringing out gold. One of the key things to watch, I think, and you see on our chart in a second, is volatility. And that is gold or stock market volatility. And you've seen this kind of nice 52-week moving average of S&P 500 E-mini options. Nice little trend here, but very low here. And the more volatile line, that's the price of the S&P, of the gold divided by the S&P E-mini. Very low. If you can narrow down here, that's the key thing I'm worried about right here. This low right here, that's the lowest level in volatility for the S&P minis ever. And it's recovered. So if this volatility keeps going higher, you expect the price of gold to outperform the S&P 500. And that's what we worry about, the mean reversion. Look at how much room we have in the upside there. That's the key thing to watch in the commodities.
Bitcoin, gold, and corn guru Mike. Gold had been trading in a very tight range. What's that telling you?
Well, that's the key. Another issue when you look at gold, it's just not an all-time record highs. What indicates what gold's going to do is what you see here is a 60-month average Bollinger Band of gold, very narrow range. How narrow is it? Go down here. It's the narrowest for longest in at least 2-3 decades. So the market's just breaking out. So if you're an options trader, you think, okay, it's going higher, but do I want to be the first buyer here? Not likely, but volatility is low, as you saw on the other chart. The market's breaking out. That looks to me like maybe I'll look at some long call strategies. You might lose your premium, but at some point they'll kick in. So gold looks like it's breaking out. Option strategies look more attractive. Long calls probably offer some value. So here the market's breaking out. Volatility is very low. Volatility is the measure of that option price. And what's gold, as you saw on the other chart, typically can be a good hedge for the stock market.